having a technology in place that looks awesome from a literature perspective, from a touring perspective, that also has results and again, like affects the end user is obviously, a win-win and a huge lift for sales marketing in general. So I think it's important to be, employing the right technology with the right amount of people. And I do think there's probably a differentiation between the type of deals you're working on. I think, some of the more cost plus centered Fortune 100 type situations might, you're going to have more of a partnership on deploying drones in terms of, investment, CapEx and whatnot. But then, on the D2C side, when you're working with younger, less mature companies, all they care about is what am I paying, or how does it affect my customer? Are my customers going to get stuff faster? What's my price? Everyone here knows what that's like, and so probably it just depends on the client, but from the sales and marketing perspective, we focus in on the things that we know are important to that customer. And using drones, if it actually produces results, which as you can hear, we've had some good success with it, win-win.